Rose Technics EarFree from ROSESELSA. I checked with the manufacturer. It's actually how it's pronounced, ROSESELSA. What's up, everybody? This is David M., the Polish Potato, with a quick unboxing video today. The best things about Rose Technics is that they seem to be in alignment with what we love on this channel, and that is the sound quality. They seem to be all about sound, and I really appreciate that. I don't know how many of you are even familiar with this manufacturer. To me, they are pretty recent, but I'm already liking what I'm seeing. So let me tell you about this a little bit before we unbox. 12mm topologic diaphragm in HR2 technology. I don't really know what that means. I'm gonna start unboxing, but I sure am going to research and find out for my full review of these. Right now I'm going to show you what's in this box, if I can get to it. Here we go. The seal has been broken, and this is what you're greeted with when you open it. Here's the case, and that feels nice. I read already that this is made out of aluminum, and man, it feels nice and solid in your hands. This is a nice case. I really appreciate that. This is this wow factor with unboxing that you get when you know someone took a good care to work on the product, because the case is this matte dark gray finish, and it feels substantial in your hand. I absolutely love it. This is not cheap plastic. This is what you are greeted with when you open the case. And here are the earbuds. Nice, nice. They look really, really good in person. Here we go, guys. Check them out. Okay, refocusing already. I normally am not the fan of glossy surfaces on earbuds. I said this many times on the channel, but I have to say it works here. They look like a car. The finish is similar to a sleek, contemporary, cool-looking car. That's what they remind me of. There's a lot of nice angles here, like body panels on a sports car. What else is in the box? Of course, the charging cable. Do we have additional ear tips? Yes, we do. They are buried somewhere here. This is the whole set, and of course the user manual that is looking like this. This is 2 languages, and it says international both on the box and here, but I don't really see English. No problem. We'll figure this out. What else is worth mentioning before I give you my first impression of the sound? Cadence Hi-Fi 5 DSP chip and Hi-Fi Master tuned equalizer. So the DSP technology is something I really like. It seems to be affecting the fine-tuning of the earbuds quite a lot and getting them close to perfection. I really like how it performs, so I'm happy to see the Rose Technics are going with it. There are 4 different equalizer settings from what I can tell, and there is a companion app that lets you pick those different options. 48 decibel hybrid active noise cancellation at ultra wide frequency. This is very interesting because we often have this problem with ANC on other earbuds when they are good at canceling some frequencies, but then some other frequencies come through completely unchanged or very little change, which doesn't really create a great ANC experience overall. So I'm curious to test these out and see how close this 48 decibels is to reality across all frequencies. Gore-Tech acoustic HD microphones with DNN AI neural network algorithms provide crystal clear calls. You guys know I test the microphones in earbuds extensively in David M's real life ultimate microphones for earbuds test, where I drive my car around and expose them to a lot of noises, a lot of wind, and compare to other earbuds. So I'm definitely going to perform this test with these earbuds and report back to you soon. Now it's time to use them for the very first time, pair them, and listen to a few songs. Let's go. I am really liking the ergonomics already. This feels good. Done with my first listen. I have to tell you guys, we have another pair of earbuds that are serious about sound. I love the sound signature of these. I love the tuning. I have to, of course, listen to more, but the first impression is really, really solid sound performance. I don't want to place them anywhere on the scale of my favorite earbuds yet, but they're definitely going to be way up there. Thank you for listening. Full review coming soon. Stay tuned.